How much money can I make of content creation? How much money can I make when I start putting reels on Instagram and shorts on YouTube or any long form video on YouTube? This is the first question that comes to your mind when you want to start as a content creator, right? But this is not the right approach. I am here to tell you a fact that I recently heard about Mr. Beast. You know, Mr. Beast is the most subscribed person on YouTube with 300 million followers. 300 million, yes, you heard that right. And last year, which is in 2023, the earnings that he got from YouTube, he reinvested the entire amount of earnings into creating high quality videos for YouTube. Do you know the reason why he did this? Because he's not looking to make quick and easy money out of Instagram or YouTube. He wants to build content creation as a business, and he wants to stay in this business for the next 10, 20 years. So the faster he can acquire people and get them to see his content, the longer he can retain them with very high quality content. And I'll tell you the number. He spent $120 million on creating content last year. Can you imagine? This is not a get rich quick scheme that all of us have fallen for, right? This is a business that we need to build for years, improve the quality of our content, improve the quality of our thoughts and insights, and provide the best value that is possible to our users, clients, customers, consumers.